A man was even killed when police opened fire on a crowd of flood victims in Madhubani district. Prabhakar Kumar has the latest from there.
It's a mad scramble for food. In village after village across 18 flooded North Bihar districts, life is like this, dependent on these packets that are dropped from Air Force choppers. Lakhs of people are marooned on elevated highways, living without shelter and fighting for food. But the Chief Minister, who has just returned from Mauritius, says his relief drive is on the track.
तो रिलीफ का काम और रेस्क्यू का काम युद्ध स्तर पर किया जा रहा है और इसमें किसी प्रकार की कमी नहीं आने दी जाएगी.
But it's a sea of problems in the flooded areas and meager relief that the government has been able to provide.
Everything is drowned. We have nothing to eat. We're borrowing the food.
My house is flooded. We're living here now. There is nothing to eat. Now if it rains, where would we go?
The government itself admits that for the 1 crore people affected, it has released only 180 litres of kerosene oil so far, and for over 69,000 damaged houses, it has distributed merely 15,000 polythene sheets, which comes to merely 0.2 meters per household, not even enough to make a handkerchief.
The flood relief operation is gaining momentum, but at whatever the pace it moves, seeing the scale of devastation, it will continue to be a mismatch. Till then, this is how people is keeping themselves afloat. With cameraman Shaibu Balam and Nikhil Deo from flood-affected North Bihar, Prabhakar Kumar.
Let's now cross to live to Patna and speak to our correspondent Prabhakar Kumar. Prabhakar, is the going smooth for rescue operations? What's the latest?
I don't know that the rescue operations have actually picked up the pace in last 2 days after Nitish Kumar returned from Mauritius. Before that, it was actually moving at a very dismal pace, very slow pace, and that is precisely the reason why people are complaining. There have been the incidents of riots in the flood-affected area, and people are actually scrambling for food and shelter because government, they complain, has not been able to reach them the way it should have. I don't know there.
Right, Prabhakar, we'll leave it at that. Many thanks for bringing us that update on the flood situation in Bihar. And it isn't just North India that's on the United Nations flood relief list. Floods continue to wreak havoc in neighboring